Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install crypto.com on your mobile device. In this case I'm using iPhone, but it's the exact same for Android. So on iPhone, go over to the App Store, this button here, and then go down to the bottom right, the search tab, and start typing in crypto.com. It comes up as the first thing when you type in crypto. Press that. And then from there, I always skip past the adverts, but go to the first organic link, this one right here, crypto.com buy Bitcoin, and press the get button on the right hand side. Press that. Then it's going to ask you to confirm Face ID by double clicking to install the button on the right hand side. I'm going to do that. And once Face ID has been passed, it's going to start downloading. So make sure that you do have a good internet connection before you actually download the app, because it is quite a large file size. I'm going to come back once this has downloaded. So guys, now that everything has been downloaded on the App Store, it can show us the open button right next to the listing. Press the open button, that will open and launch the app. Just give it a little bit of time to load correctly. And then from there, what you can do, you can either create your new account or log into an existing account. So I'll press the first button, create new account. And then from there, it's going to ask you for your email. If you'd like to sign up for exclusive offers and updates from crypto.com, I'm assuming through email. And then you can follow the steps and create your account through there. Or if you have an account already, go to login, type in your email, type in your password, and log into crypto.com. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you've got any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. Thanks.